Hey there, fellow diamond painting enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel, Zephyr's Zen Zone, where we share exciting tips and tricks about the world of diamond painting art. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for diamond painting beginners. So, let's get started! The first thing you need for a diamond painting is the canvas itself. This is your foundation, and it comes in various sizes and themes. Next, you'll need the diamonds. These are tiny resin-coated gems that come in different colors and sizes. Finally, you'll need a tray to help you sort your diamonds easily. Now, let's talk about what makes a good diamond painting experience. Choose high-quality materials. This ensures your painting lasts longer and looks better. Take your time, there's no rush when it comes to art. Enjoy the process and don't worry about finishing too quickly. Start with smaller projects. Tackle a few small canvases before moving on to larger ones to build your skills and confidence. Use good lighting. It makes it easier to see the details on your canvas. Stay organized with a tray or organizer. This will save you time and frustration during your project. Remember, diamond painting is all about having fun while creating beautiful artwork that adds personality to any space. That wraps up our ultimate guide for diamond painting beginners. We hope this information has been useful and inspires you to start your own beautiful masterpiece. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment telling us about your favorite part of the guide or even sharing some of your own tips. Until next time, happy painting!